Welcome to the video on dining etiquettes. In this video, we're going to learn some of the basic rules that we follow while dining in Indian airports. This is how the crockery setup looks on the dining table. At the center, we have the main plate. On its left, the fork, and right, we have the spoon. The quarter plate is located on the left of the fork. At the top, in the center, we have the sweet spoon, and on the left of the sweet spoon, we have the bowl, and on the right, we have the glass. The first thing that we do is open the plate. To open the plate, we need to place the spoon and the fork in a cross position. Imagine the center plate to be a clock. Therefore, we have the 12 o'clock position that houses the emblem, the 3 o'clock position, 6 o'clock, and the 9 o'clock position. Between 1 and 3 o'clock position, we place items like salad, butter, and pickle. Between 3 and 5 o'clock, we keep rice. Between 7 and 9 o'clock, we keep food items which have semi-gravy. And between 9 and 11 o'clock position, we keep dry veg. Let's start with the servings. Salad, dry veg, semi-gravy, dal. Remember, chapati is always eaten before rice, and at a time, both of them are never taken together on the plate. A single chapati is taken and placed on the quarter plate and is eaten with the help of 3 fingers. It is broken and then put into mouth, and then with the help of the fork and the spoon, we eat the gravy. While chewing the food, the spoon and the fork are to be kept in a cross position. After eating chapati, you can take rice. Rice is to be placed between the 3 and the 5 o'clock position. Do not stuff your plate with food. You can always take a second serving. The 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock position is used for mixing the food. It is then pushed onto the spoon with the help of the fork and eaten. Do note the way the spoon and the fork are to be held. A piece of solid food can be eaten with the help of fork. Any food waste during eating is to be kept at the 1 o'clock position. Once you finish eating, all the waste food is to be kept at that position. Once you are done eating, you can close the plate by keeping the fork and the spoon parallel to each other. You should keep them well inside the plate so that when you get up, you don't hit them. After you are done with the main course, the dessert is served. You eat the dessert with the sweet spoon, and after taking a bite, you keep the spoon in the 5 o'clock position. And once you are done eating, you close the dessert plate like this. Now let's take a look at certain other rules that are to be followed during ceremonial dinner. You always enter from the left side of the chair and take your position after the chief guest has taken his position. In ceremonial dinner, you always wait for the chief guest to open his plate first. Once he has opened his plate, you can open your plate too, and then start taking the servings. Now, some basic rules that are to be kept in mind. You may talk softly with the person on your left or on your right, but you should never talk to the person on the other side of the table. So in short, cross-table talks are not allowed. Keep your mobile phones on the silent mode and do not operate them because it disturbs the other diners. Do not stuff your plate with food. You can always take a second serving. All these rules are also applicable in your daily routine. When the chief guest closes his plate, you should close your plate too, even if food is left on your plate. When the chief guest gets up from his seat, you need to get up, exit the chair from the right side, push the chair back into its position, and stand behind in attention till the chief guest exits the dining hall.